Okay, good afternoon, students. Today, I will explaining the third semester subject, electric circuit analysis. The subject code is 18EE32. This is a subject was little bit problematic subject, not little bit. This is a 99% problematic subject with the analysis with the circuit. Okay, the first model, basic concept. Second model, network theorems. Third model, resonant circuits. Fourth model, Laplace transformation. Fifth model, unbalanced three-phase system. These are the syllabus. Model number 1 to model number 5. Total. The total marks is 100. Out of 100, 40 is the CI. That is a continuous internal evaluation 40. SEE, semester and examination 60. Total 100 marks. This is syllabus. Okay, the first model, the basic concepts. The basic concepts, circuit analysis means find the current through the voltage across any branch of network by using fundamental laws and various simplification techniques. Just see the figure diagram electrical network. Here R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Total 6 resistors. It's a simple network, electric network. Any arrangement of sources of electrical energy along with different circuit element is called electric network. What is a network? It is a different components, active or passive components, but here resistors and the sources. Here the two sources, okay, E1 and E2 with the polarity plus and minus. All circuit element is called electrical network. Okay, next, what is the element? Now tell me. It is individual circuit elements with the two terminals. Two terminals means the end of the R1 and R2 in between the two terminals which can be connected other circuit element is called electric network. Active elements and passive elements. Active elements is supply and power or energy to the network. It is called active. It means a source. Source is nothing but active elements. Passive elements. Passive elements are the elements which either store energy or dissipate the energy in the form of heat, resistor and inductor. Here RLC is a passive element. What are the active elements? Only sources. That is voltage and current source. Now definition. What is a node? Already see the diagram here. Node between A, B. A is one node, B is another node, C is another node, D is another node, E and F. Total 6 nodes. In between the node, some element, that is R1. What is a node? The point which the two or more elements are joined together is called node. Two or the more elements together called as a node. Just A, B, C, D, E, F are the nodes. Why the nodes A, B, C, D? Because of joining the two elements is called node. Next, mesh or loop. Mesh or loop is a set of branches forming a closed path in a network such way that one branch is removed. Here the mesh or the loop. Mesh means it is a set of branches forming a closed path. Here branches. AD is one branch, AB is another branch, AC is another branch. Is a complete path is called loop or mesh. Here the some definition, important definition or classification of electrical circuits. Sometimes ask in the examination even the January 2004, August 2004, ask in 5 marks. Here linear network, non-linear network. First linear, I will explaining linear. The network whose elements are always constant irrespective of the changes with the time. Voltage, temperature, etc. is called linear network. It means the network whose elements are always constant irrespective of changes with the time. It means constant means the linear network is a irrespective of the changes with the time and voltage temperature is called linear network. The Ohm's law is applicable. What is the Ohm's law or superposition theorem? Ohm's law is the voltage directly proportional to the current. It means voltage is same, current also same. It is irrespective of the time, does not change with the time and voltage. It's called linear network. It's the same, it's applicable to such networks. Non-linear, the network whose parameter changes their values with a change in time. With a change in time, it is a non-linear. It change in time. Ohm's law is not applicable in the network. The response of elements is not linear. That is called non-linear means always changes with the time. The temperature and voltage is called non-linear network. Okay, bilateral. Bilateral means the name itself as a bilateral. It's the same respect to direction of the current through various elements is called bilateral. It means the direction will be changed. Here RLC, whose behavior is remains same to the direction current through the. Sometimes the direction of the current will be changes. That is called bilateral. Bilateral itself is a direction. Unilateral, it's the same direction. The circuit is a behavior that dependent on the direction of the current through the various element is called unilateral. It's the same direction. Network consisting of diode and transistor that allows only flow of current in a one direction. Active network. The network consisting of at least one source of energy is called active element or active network. In active network, example consisting of at least one battery, one source, that is called active network. It means a source is available in the network, that is called active network. It is at least one source of energy is called active network. Suppose passive network, the network which contains no energy source is called passive network. Suppose only RLC connected, only resistance, inductance, capacitor without any source, that is called passive network. Next, the definition lumped network. The network in which all the network elements are physically separable from each other and shown concentrated at one place. The lumped it means it is all the elements, which all the network elements physically separable from each other, shown in the concentrated one place, that is called RLC. Consisting of RLC is called lumped. Next, distributed network. The network in which the network elements are not physically separable, it distributes all along the length of network is called distribution network. Okay, next, very important, the basic circuit parameters. Already explained, no, resistance, inductance, capacitance. What is resistance? It is opposition flow of current. The property of resistor is made up of any metal which opposes the flow of current through it is called resistance. It denoted symbol is R. Here R equal to rho L by, what is the rho? The resistive. What is L? Length. What is A? Area. The R equal to rho L by A, that is directly proportional to length of conductor, inversely proportional to area of the conductor. Here, as per the Ohm's law, with respect to the T, I of T equal to V of T by R. Here the V equal to I into R. Just including the time, that is V of T equal to I of T into R. Here what is the power? Always power equal to the product of voltage into current. The same thing with respect to the time, just to consider time, P of T equal to V of T into I of T, that is V I square, V square of T by R. Why square? Very simple. Why the square? Because of I of T equal to V by R. What is V by R? That is voltage by resistance. Just substituting I of T is nothing but V by R. That is V of T, that is V of T square by R. Finally, I square of T into R also you write. Because of V of T equal to I of T R. That is I of T already there in the equation. Again one more I of T, that is I square of T into R. The voltage and current of the DC, the constant V R then. That is I equal to V by R, V equal to I into R, P equal to V into I, finally V square by R, otherwise I square by R. Just now I am explaining now. The same thing just to as per the Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? I equal to V by R, V equal to I into R, P equal to V into I, finally V square by R equal to I square by R also. Suppose power measured in watts. The energy consumed in given by W equal to infinity to T, P of T dt. What is P of T? V of D, I of T dt. Finally, energy consumed in measured the joules. The constant of DC, V and I, energy, the W equal to V I of T joules. In inductance, already resistance over. Next, inductance. The coils having n number of turns made up of various metals having a size are called inductor. It is a store. This is one form of store. The inductance is treated as the property of coil which opposes change of current that passes through it is called inductance, denoted by L. Just see the figure. I of the current will be flowing to the coil. N number of turns. Flux is acting in the. Flux is nothing but current. Here imaginary lines. Here V of T equal to L d of dt. What is the store of energy? The induction itself is store of energy. L d of T dt. Just integral I of T equal to 1 by L. L is a constant, just outside 1 by L. 0 to T V of T dt plus I of 0. Here initially I have 0 initial current through the inductor. Mathematically inductance the ratio of leakages, that is N into number of turns, that is L equal to N phi by I. Why N phi by phi? Number of turns into flux divided by I. The power of inductor, the P of T equal to V of T into I of T. The same energy stored inductor W equal to 0 to T integral V of T of I of T dt. 0 to T L di by dt. Di by dt I of T dt. Just substituting V of T value, that is L di by dt. It is a store of energy with respect to the time with the small changes, that is di of T dt. W equal to 0 to T L I of T dt. Just to separating L I square by T, I into I square by T. Finally W equal to 1 by 2 L I square T joules. Next, capacitance. The same thing, capacitance, the property of capacitor to store the electric energy in the form of electromagnetic field. It is called capacitor, denoted by C. What is the charge? The Q. The charge acquired capacitor proportional to the voltage, that is Q equal to CV of t. What is C? Q by V of t. As per formula, just you know Q equal to CV of t, C equal to Q by V of t. Here current can be obtained by differentiating above equation dq by dt, C di by dt. But dq by dt equal to current, that is charge I of t. Just I of t equal to Z, C is a capacitor, dV of t dt, that is V of t 1 by C, 0 to t, I of t dt plus V of 0. What is V of 0? Initial voltage across a capacitor. The voltage across capacitance C cannot change instantly. The power in the capacitor P of t, V of t, I of t in the watts. Okay, next you directly substitute all the values, W equal to 1 by 2 CV square T joules. Okay, now stop the video. Thank you.